What up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Victor, and today I'm going to be going over the FormulaMod extension cable kit that I purchased about a month ago, and I've been using on 2 different computers, just testing them out, make sure that they hold pretty well. Now, you can get these under $27, and they do have about 40 different options when it comes to color variations. And I'm going to give you guys the dimensions, and then we're going to go over the unboxing. Show you guys the size of the cable extension sleeves are going to be 30 cm or 11.8 inches, almost 12, just rounded up to 12. And they are premium sleeve cables with extra thick wires, reduced gap between each individual wire, which is good. And then this is what you get in the box basically, but I'm gonna show you that physically in the video. You get a 24 pin, you get an 8-pin CPU, and then you get 2 8-pin GPU PCIe extension cables. What you're getting in the box besides the extension cables is going to be 8 total cable combs, which in my case, these came in the black variant. I think they have white and also clear. I don't know. It's going to depend on the color of the cable combs. So you're going to get 2 cable combs for your 24 pin, and then you're going to get 6 for the other 8-pin connectors that you're gonna get in the box, which is 3 total. 2 for your GPU or PCIe, and 1 for your CPU. The cable combs are not cheap at all, and they're not flimsy. They hold on pretty well with each cable. They don't fall off, and the build quality of them is a hard plastic, so they're really gonna hold place when you're using them. So this is what you're gonna be left with after you grab and you install all your cable combs and have your cables ready to install on your computer. Basically, you're gonna have 1 extra one. In my situation, which is gonna be 1 extra 4-pin connector that is just not going to be used at all for this setup. The one thing to keep in mind is that these are not long enough for you to connect them directly via your fully modular PSU, which this is not going to be perfect for that situation. But if you have like ugly cable wires coming out of your PSU, you can just use these to hide those and give your PC a better look. One of my main concerns when installing these on my computer after I made the purchase was seeing how well the connectors will actually last without getting disconnected or just damaging itself with all the bending and twisting that you're going to do when you're installing these, to your preference of choice how you want to bend these on your PC, depending on what case you have or how tight your situation is going to be within the case. But these have held pretty well over the last month or so. None has disconnected or unplugged from on either side. Now, for the price that these are being sold for, I'm very surprised how good the material is that they're using to build these, and how well they hold position when you bend them. They're not too hard or too soft. They're just like perfect when you're going to place them in your computer, and they just follow through with whatever angle that you're going to be using. So now we're going to be taking a look at the pins inside the connector of each end of each wire. And we're going to be moving on into showing you how this looks installed on my PC, as well as showing you guys all the options that they do have on Amazon when it comes to variation in colors. So stay tuned to that, guys. One of the top reasons that really caught my attention when it came to the FormulaMod cable extension was that not only do they have 4 different listings on Amazon, but they also, each listing has about 8 to 6 different color variations. Like you have your solid colors, as you see here. You have about 12 different colors when it comes to solids, as well as, color combinations, as you see here with the purple, the black, and the silver. And then you move on and you see your greens, your blacks, your browns. I mean, I could go on. Then you have this option. And this is all under $27. You can get any set of cable mods under 27 bucks. So check them out if you guys have a chance. The link will be down below. Appreciate everyone coming through. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Catch you guys in the next one.